Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see Servlet Life Cycle implementation. So software required for this Servlet Life Cycle implementation are: first, you need to install Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Developers 2024-06. Again, you need to install Apache Tomcat Server having version of 10.1.28. And in this cycle, we are going to implement Servlet Lifecycle methods, and the methods are init method, service, and destroy method. So let's start with video. First, you have to open Eclipse IDE. Friends, if you have not installed Eclipse IDE, I have given link in description box. Please check the link for installation of Eclipse IDE. Also, I have given link for installation of Apache Tomcat Server for version of 10.1.28. So let's start with video. Here first you have to create dynamic web project. So once you open your Eclipse IDE, so if you see towards top left corner file option, you will get, click on this file option and select the option new. You will get option that is a dynamic web project. So we are going to create dynamic web project. So select this option, dynamic web project. Now again, this dynamic web project, you have to provide the project name. So I will give the name as a Servlet Life Cycle Demo. This is the name of your project. After this, you have to select the option. Again, click on next. Now see, it is showing the context root directory, that is a Servlet Life Cycle Demo. This is our name of dynamic web project, and in this it will create the content directories as a web app, and we want to generate here XML as a deployment descriptor. So just select this option, generate web.xml deployment descriptor. After this, just click on finish option. Now, if you observe here in Project Explorer, you will see Servlet Lifecycle Demo. Our dynamic web project is created. If you explore this, it will show here deployment descriptor is created. After this, it has created folder for Java resources, as well as it has created web app folder, and here it has generated XML, that is a web.xml, which is our deployment descriptor. And while implementation of Servlet Web Cycle, when we use the init method, it is called only once, so that whenever client will send the request, it is providing responses to that request. Means service method can be called many times, and finally it releases all the resources, then it implements the destroy method. Okay. So first we will create Servlet. So here in Project Explorer, if you explore this dynamic web project, you have to select Java resources option. So just right click on it and click on new Servlet. Here Java package, you can keep this field as empty. It will take the default package, and class name you have to select as per your choice. So I will give the class name as a Servlet Lifecycle Demo 1. Here we are going to generate request response. So we'll use the httpservlet. So keep this superclass as it is as a httpservlet. If you are creating a generic servlet, at that time you can browse this option and you can select the generic servlets. But here we need httpservlet. So just click on next button. Here it has created Servlet Lifecycle Demo name for the servlet, and it has created URL mapping, that is Servlet Lifecycle Demo. If you want to change, you can change this URL also, but I want to keep it as it is. So just click on next button. It is providing multiple options to create the different methods. By default, it will implement this method constructors Again, inherited methods, doGet method and doPost method. But I want to add here init method, service method and destroy method. So just I will select these methods and just click on finish button. Now see here, servlet is created having name as Servlet Life Cycle Demo 1. Again, it has imported the required files. Now it is showing import Jakarta servlet annotations. We have not used. If we are going to use annotations, then only we have to use this. Otherwise, just we can ignore this file also. So just I will select remove unused imports option. Okay. Now see here, it has created class Servlet Lifecycle Demo 1 and which extends to HTTP Servlet. Now here, constructor of this Servlet Lifecycle Demo 1, constructor of this class is created. Again, it is showing init method. Within that, it is providing the servlet configuration class and its instance is created and it throws the servlet kind of exception. For our understanding purpose, I will give the system.out.println statement sysout and just press Ctrl and spacebar button so that automatically it will find for this system.out.println method. And here I will print message as init method initiated. Now for destroy, again here type sys out and just press Ctrl spacebar button so that we will show the system.out.println method. Again here type destroy method implemented. Now see here in doGet method, first this is auto generated code, so I will keep it in comment and I will create object for printWriter class. Now what is purpose of printWriter class? If I type printWriter class, whatever message I will display, it will get displayed on the web browser. So type the class name printWriter and create its object. For example, I have created object as a pw is equal to. So I will take here that object response dot again method. So we'll take the method getWriter because I want to write or display message on the web browser. So we have created pw object and we want to print message. So pw dot println and here I will display the message, hello, this is Servlet Life Cycle implementation program. Now see it is showing error here. So just click on this. So method is getWriter. So I forgot to write R here. Now see here, this doGet and doPost methods are invoked by using the service method. So I will give the message and this service method will call to doGet and doPost methods. So here in doGet method also we can give the such service method implement. Now just save this program by using Ctrl S option. Once you save this, now we have created with the servlet. Now we are going to create index.html file. So to create the index.html file, what we have to do? Again, we have to move towards the project explorer towards left hand side. Just right click on this web app folder. Again, select the option new. We are going to create HTML file. So select HTML file option. And the name of the file we are going to give as a index.html. Now here index.html file is created. So here title we can give as a Servlet Lifecycle implementation. Again within body part we are going to create the form tag. So just create the tag as a form. And within this form we are going to do action on the servlet and the name of servlet is Servlet Lifecycle Demo 1.java. So within double quote, first you have to type dot slash and after this name of servlet. So So just type this name carefully. Again, here we are going to give the input. So write the field input type, and input type will be of submit type. Now see, it is showing different options. From this, so we have to select the submit. So here it is showing option submit. So just click on it, submit. And value for this field is go. Any value you can give. So I want to give the name for this button as a go. So I will type go. So value will be go. Just complete this tag. So just type /form and just save this file. By using Ctrl S option, you can save this file. Now see here in Servlet Life Cycle demo 1.java means we have created servlet, and this index.html. We are going to execute this servlet by using index.html file. We have created code for this Servlet Life Cycle. Now we'll see how to execute this Servlet Life Cycle. Now see here, you are getting different tabs. First one is for server, for console, and for terminal. Now it is showing it is a servers tab. First we need to configure Tomcat Server on Eclipse IDE. So for that purpose, you have to select this servers tab, and here it is showing message no servers are available. Click this link to create new server. Either you can create select this link, or just right click and select new option and then server. Now I want to use Apache Tomcat Server, so I will select the Apache. Again, configure runtime environments, deploy all the resources, and just click on finish button. Now I want to start this servlet. I want to start this server, so I will just click here. On right side, you will get this option to start the server. So just click on it. Server is started. Now we want to execute our program. For that purpose, just right click on index.html file. Again, select option run as and run on server. Just select the server on which you want to execute and just click on next button. Either you can keep all the files configured here, or just you can keep the required file and rest of the files you can remove also. It is showing message the server may need be restarted. Just click on OK button. Now see, in index file we have given value as a go. So just you can click on this go option so that it will display the message. Now see, if I refresh this page, the service method is again and again called. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.